Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone mobile data is not working. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having any kind of problem related to mobile data, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys click on reset and click on reset network settings. So guys, by doing reset network settings, your all the network related problem, means mobile data, Wi-Fi related problem or any Bluetooth problem, then these are all the problems will be fixed by resetting network settings. And guys after doing reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys after this you need to click it again on general and click on software update and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using old iOS versions, mean 15, 14 or 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 17. And guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on Apple Support. So guys you need to click on Apple Support, and guys select your gadget, means your device, and click on more. And guys here you need to click on cellular services. So guys you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to wait. And guys, if you have any kind of problem related these articles, then guys simply you need to click on these articles. So guys, if you have other problem, then guys simply you need to click on call. And guys you need to call at these two numbers in which time that has been mentioned. So guys simply you need to call them and tell them your problem, and guys after this they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.